What's up, broski? Here is a tutorial on the real estate song. I forgot the name of the song. It's like, so that little the chorus thing. It starts with it's like D is D major. It's basically just like a cycle between D major and E minor. So D major, E minor, and that's sort of like the chords. And then when it gets into the that little guitar part, it goes. So it's sort of a cycle between. So this is actually still D major. So, but basically, you're coming back to the tonic at the end of your riff. So we're going G flat, G flat, G, G flat, A, D, and we just loop it. So that was 4 notes. This next one is only 3 notes. And we go E, G flat, A. We're coming back to that G flat as like our ending note. Sort of like how in the last little thing we ended on G, like sort of like you sustain it for a little bit longer. Where this is sort of like our root note, kind of. It's not our starting note, but it's sort of like that root note you come back to. And then we're going back to the 4 note theme. That's what you call it, I guess. And we're going back to the tonic of the chord progression, which is the D. So if you remember back in the chords, we're going D, 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 E minor, E minor, E minor, E minor, and then you go back to D. So that's when you would go back to the same thing. It's like, oops, there we go. That is a B. And they slide this between the E and the G minor. So this is actually a slide. So it's D, E, D, G minor, B, and we just loop it. And then they go into this thing, I don't know if you want to learn it, but it's like, and it's basically playing with the same D minor thing. Something like that. And then, but I don't really know what they're doing there. If you need me to teach you that jank, shoot, I'll learn it. Shit. So here's an extra bonus thing. Let me see if I can hold this with my teeth or something.